beautiful people. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Carol. I am from Kenya, and in case you're new here, karibu, and also don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. So guys, welcome to another exciting video whereby we go exploring different apartments. So right now, today we are at the Eastern Bypass in the Kamakis. So this is our first apartment in Kamakis. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. I'm going to take you through this apartment, and then you can let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So guys, that's the entrance of the apartment. That's the entrance door, and then this is the entryway. Let's go to the sitting area. We have this portrait, and then we have the screen, and then from there we have another beautiful portrait over here. We have the decor books, the TV cabinets over there, and this flower over here. And then from there we have the door that is heading to the balcony. That's the door. I think the light is too much. And then that's the mat. Guys, from there we have this couch with a pillow to decorate. Really beautiful and comfortable. And then we have the sitting area window. That's how it looks like. And then from there we have another beautiful bouncy black couch over there with some throwaway pillows just to decorate. And then guys, from there we have another portrait here, really beautiful. That's the water dispenser, and that's the flower. From there we have another portrait. So it looks like. And then from there guys, we have a 2-round coffee table over here and a masterpiece table to decorate, the flower on top of the table, and then the carpet. That's our carpet. I love the way the colors are blending in so well, the couches and the carpet. So guys, nothing much to say. That's basically how our sitting area look like. I'm just going to show you the whole view of the sitting area. That's how it look like. That's the whole view of the sitting area. And then let's head to the kitchen. So guys, this is how the view look like from the balcony. This is the view from the balcony. That's how it look like. That's the balcony. Really beautiful view over there. So guys, from the sitting area we have the mirror over here. Hi. And then from there, that's the bathroom. We have the sink there. And then let's head to the kitchen. That's our cooker. Then we have the dustbin there, the microwave. We have kitchen cabinets there. That's the kitchen window. We have the dish rack, the sink. Then we have this, the sugar, chocolates, everything that you need. Then we have more kitchen cabinets over here. That's how it look like. And then from there we have these beautiful kitchen mats over here. And more kitchen cabinets down. So guys, let me show you the whole view of the kitchen area. That's how it look like. Really clean. So from there, let's head to the bedroom. So guys, welcome to the bedroom. That's the bed. That's how it look like. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. And then we have a portrait here. And then that's the bedroom window. You can see the outside view through the window. That's how it look like. Then from there we have this mat over here, bedroom mat. That's how it look like. And then from there guys, we have the closet. That's our closet. That's basically how it look like. So guys, that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.